Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to read aloud your note on the Notes Writer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select document from your home page, and after that click on the three dots icon at the top. Tap on read aloud, which is in the middle of the screen.
JBBBBNLBBN Note. Note 2. Note 3. Note 4.
So that's how this function works, as you can see, or as you could hear it. So feel free to turn it on or use it anytime you want to read aloud your note. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.